check the device actually works, we perform simple test. We will measure temperature that is going inside of the device, and we will check what's the heat regeneration to the outlet to the device. So this side, let's assume that is inside some kind of compartment that we wish to recover the heat, and this side of the device, it's let's say outside of the wall. So warm air goes here, and it should be cooled, or the energy should be grabbed by the energy wheel over here, and we should be transferred to this air. So fans are pushing this air over here, and second set of fans will push the air from outside of the world to the inside. So by measuring the temperature of this angle air duct, we will check how many heat we recover. Of course, over here there is a plastic divider that to be sure that the test has some meaning. So the air should not mix between this side exhaust air to the inlet air. I think the 15 centimeter of this divider should be enough. So now we perform the test. The ambient temperature right now for the inlet is 21 degrees. For the outlet it's also 21 degrees. So the same conditions are to the heat source and inlet to the compartment. Yes. And after a few minutes of work, we compare this value, the lower side of the device, to the upper side of the device. How many heat we recover. And this is a part of the terminal side. We can see the readout from the sensors. We have two temperature sensors, T1, T0, T1, and you can see the difference between those two. So we have the difference about 10 centigrade between the warm side and a cold side, which recovers some heat. Yes. And also the sensors are ability to read the pressure. Now it is not used, but maybe in the future we also can use it. Okay, what we observe also on the screen, or we can observe on the real thermometer. So the inlet to the compartment that we wish to recover, it's 30 degrees. Yes, the sensor inside is more accurate because it's in the air stream, but I think it's also okay. And inlet for the heat source was 41. When we see on the computer over here, we see 31, but I think that this is that's not proper readout. So what we adjust to the outside world, we can see on this over here, we exhaust 27 degrees. The inlet, well, the cold side of this wheel, you can see it's 24 degrees. Yes. So basically, we recover 10 centigrades from the hot side to the inside.